Guys and girls, they're 4 weeks this Sunday. So we just give them a wash, and I thought why not just show you guys and girls some French Bulldog puppies being blow dried. This is quite cute. It's quite nice. They all like run away for a second until they feel the warmth, and then they're like, "Ooh, this is fun." So yeah. Sheldon, look. You can see the colours going out in them now, look guys. The colours, man. Looking good. So yeah, they're 4 weeks this Sunday. But thank you as always for our views, comments and likes and all getting on the channel. We do appreciate it, guys. Buzz is looking cool, aren't you, Buzz? He says, yeah, I'm fine, thanks. I'm just keep putting that nice warm air on me, alright. He's getting a lovely blow. We had one out our last letter actually, we called Blue. But yeah, we should have called him Blue as well, because he's literally, he's almost silver. He's only got a little bit of white on him, just a little bit. Hey mate. So yeah, super short video. And just some French Bulldog puppies in blow ride. That's it. I think they're on the tiddle then. You get a nice view of the radiator as well, but you know, production values here, guys and girls, you know. Production's not what it was once. She got a wet bum. 2 girls, 2 boys. Yeah. But this is the thing, guys and girls, socialisation's key. Not only that, noises, vacuums, hair dryers, all that good stuff. And they get used to everything now. These colours on shoulder. They're going to be stunners. That's Jess, I think. With more white. Pixie's this little black one. Ta-da! And then there's Buzz, Sheldon. But they're all nice though, you know. I mean, Pied Mom, just a normal Pied. She's double hooded, which means she's got patches over her eyes. But Pied Mom and a black and tan dad. And look at the colours you get, a blue. So obviously Dotty carries blue, which is nice. She didn't pass it in the last letter, so that's good. Sheldon, I don't know what colour Sheldon is. They used to call it like a tiger brindle, but it's not quite the red. It's like a fawny. We go with a lemon brindle. We've registered them now, guys and girls, as well, so they're all registered. We're waiting for the paperwork and stuff in the post, but we've all registered with the Kennel Club. We've got them booked in for their 8-week jabs. I don't know why they shiver. They're not cold. This is nice and warm. It's not the hottest, obviously, and not the fastest. But in the middle diddle. Please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Make sure to check back for more of our wonderful videos with our little canine friends.